In this video, I'll show you how to write on 2 different lines using your Dymo LetraTag Label printer. So let's get started right away. So to do so, first thing you need to power on the unit and then press on the button that is Insert. Press once and then press the down arrow until you see second line. Then press OK. To write something on the top line, you'll need to press the left arrow here until you see the cursor blinking on the left side. If you want to write on the line that is under, which is the second line, then you need to put the cursor on the right side where the 2 is pointing. So let's do it. I'll start by writing the first line. Okay, I wrote the first line. Now I'll put my cursor on the right side where it's blinking and I'll type the second line. Okay, perfect. As you see, I'm done. You just have to press the print button. And this is the result, 2 lines. So I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like down below, write a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe as well.